on one of my rides on my lovely Boardwalk folding 20-inch wheels single-speed bike, the right pedal hit a bump in the road. This folding pedal got damaged. I still can fold it, which I rarely do even for storage. But riding a bike with a wobbling pedal like this is very uncomfortable and could be dangerous. Luckily for me, I found a junk bike. There are many of those on the streets of New York. Different brands of all-size bikes have the same size pedal axis. Folding or not makes no difference. And a 15mm branch seems to fit most of them. The right pedal unscrews in the counterclockwise direction. The plastic on the junk pedal has cracks, but the axis seems to be fine. This pedal comes out easier than I would expect from a junk bike. The right pedal axis should be marked with the letter R. Here you can see the letter R. Now let's take off the left pedal. The left pedal unscrews in the clockwise direction. And the left pedal axis should be marked with the letter L. Here I got a pair of still usable pedals. Now let's get back to my bike. Just one bump, that's all it took to render this folding pedal broken. No bad for the 1500 miles I put on this old bike just in one season. Okay, let's unscrew the broken right pedal. You see, it is also marked with the letter R. And now let's attach the right pedal from the junk bike to my bike. Screw the right pedal in clockwise direction. Tighten it up with a wrench. I'm going to replace the good left folding pedal as well, to get the same feeling on both feet. Attach the left pedal by screwing it counterclockwise. Tighten it up with a wrench. It takes minutes to change pedals. And the pedals from a junk bike will do in a pinch to get your bike going for many long miles, or at least to the next bump. Have fun and happy biking!